Hi, I'm Monty. I'm 20 years old from England and I'm a part of the international programme staff at Camp Ozark. When I received the opportunity to work at Camp Ozark, I knew that I had to take it. This summer has allowed me the incredible chance to work here in the US on a camp counselor visa that allows me to serve the kids here and travel the US when I leave. I get to meet and work alongside many people from not only my home country, but other countries all over the world. These are some of the best friendships I could have ever asked for. I wanted to interact directly with kids, so I chose to serve camp in a variety of ways, including teaching classes, coaching sports, and leading devotionals, all as a cabin counsellor. Every day is something new and exciting. I really enjoy serving these kids and playing a vital role in making their experience so wonderful. Seeing them run around all over camp reminds me that our work is so worth it, even when it gets tough. I love the laughs, the smiles, and even the tears when a kid opens up for the first time about something they're going through. I'm really excited to be able to stay stateside for a couple weeks when the work is done. I am planning to travel and see all the amazing things that America has to offer, like Colorado, Nevada, South Carolina, and even Alaska. I wouldn't trade this summer for anything.